Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a lip swatch video on the new No. 7 Matte Liquid Lips. So if you want to see how these work and the colors, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and jump into swatching these, but first I want to mention that No. 7 did send these to me as PR, not to do a review, but they also wanted to do a giveaway with me with you guys. So they are going to be giving away all of these. So there is 6 matte liquid lipsticks and also this, which is the lash serum, lash primer, and mascara. The details to enter this will be on my Instagram. So my Instagram is ggsedaris, which is always in the description box. So if you need to see that, it's down there. The way to enter will be through my Instagram, but in order to get an additional entry, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and swatch these. So let's go ahead and take off what I already have on, which is just a lip gloss. So I am currently still having an issue where I had an infection with something. I'm thinking it's a primer I used, so I got rid of it, but I'm not 100% positive. So I am still having the effects that it's done with the drying and the cracking and breaking, but now there is still a little bit of pigmentation there, so we're just gonna ignore that because I wanted to swatch these so bad. I'm sick of waiting. These are their matte liquid lipsticks. Let's just read a little bit about it. It's supposed to be a new demi-matte formula so that lips stay matte while enjoying moisturizing benefits all day. Proven to last up to 8 hours without a second of dryness. Wow. Okay, so let's start with the lightest shades and work our way to the darkest. Alright, so the first shade is in the shade Grace, I believe. Ooh, okay, my extra pigmentation on the side is throwing me off, but these are really nice. I like the Dofa applicator. It's just kind of rounded. For me, that really works. This is a really pretty color. Actually, I should have zoomed you in. Let me zoom you in. That is a really, really pretty color. Let's do the next shade. And I'm not going to let this dry down until I've done all of them. Then I will put one on and leave it. Let's do the next shade, which is Inspire, and it's like a pinky shade. These are not going to be perfect swatches. Alright, I'm not going to worry about making these look pretty, but that is a super pretty color. It's not something I would normally gravitate toward, but I feel like for some, this is a really pretty pink color. Let's take this one off. People make lip swatch videos look easy. It is not easy. Alright, next shade is like a corally-ish shade. It's called Captivate. When I think summer, this is the shade I think is like coral colors. So let's put this one on. Ooh. Remember that whole not worrying about it being perfect and pretty? We're avoiding that. This, oh my gosh. See, this is my summer shade. Like when I think summer, this is what I think. I love this shade. Okay, but let's take it off. Alright, we're gonna have to fix around my lips in a little bit. Alright, let's go with the red shade. Alright, this is in the shade Fearless. Oh my gosh. Ooh. This is like a red-orange shade. This is super pretty. I don't do reds because if you can't tell, I make my teeth look extra yellow. But if I did reds, this is what I would do. Wow, it's like a red-orange, which I really like that color. Okay, let's take this off. This color is probably gonna try to spread everywhere. Oh, I got it up there from my nail. This color is going everywhere. Shoot, it's on my yellow nail. Oh, that's one of those shades that spreads. Taking all the makeup off around my mouth. It's alright, we'll fix it later. We'll fix my makeup when we're done because we're probably just gonna keep doing that. So let's do this Dusty Rose color. This is in the shade Courage. Ooh. Okay, For this color, I feel like it's actually pretty opaque because I know these colors aren't normally always opaque. Alright, but for this color, it is pretty opaque. This one's definitely going to go everywhere. Oh! Alright, last color so that we can fix my makeup. Actually, it's just the last color. And it is in the shade Conquer. So this is the Conquer shade. I really did a sloppy job on this, but ignore that. So I'm gonna go ahead, take this off, fix my makeup, and be right back. Okay, so that is all 6 shades. Don't forget, if you want to enter the giveaway for all of these products, then the information will be on the picture in my Instagram. So that is all I have for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one.